What is happening, crypto fam? Welcome back to Gold Rush Crypto Daily, your daily source for all things crypto. It's your boy, Gold Rush, and let me tell you, we have some huge news today that could signal a major turning point for Pi Network and the entire crypto landscape. I mean, things are starting to heat up, and today we are covering two articles which will have you buzzing. Pi Network was just featured on CNN, folks. CNN. They're talking about Pi's potential to revolutionize the world of digital finance. Is this the mainstream breakthrough we've been waiting for? Also, we'll dive into Picoin's price action and discuss when it could realistically hit $100. This is Gold Rush Crypto Daily, and you're in the right place to get the inside scoop. Let's start with this interesting article from Hoka News. Hoka News is reporting on a major development, folks. CNN, one of the biggest news organizations in the world, just featured Pi Network. They're highlighting its enormous potential and its role in transforming the crypto landscape. In a recent feature, CNN highlighted the enormous potential of Pi Network and its role in transforming the cryptocurrency and blockchain landscape. Pi Network is not just a digital platform, but an innovation focused on accessibility, efficiency, and inclusivity, providing an opportunity for anyone to be part of this digital revolution. Enormous potential, folks. CNN is recognizing Pi Network's focus on accessibility, efficiency, and inclusivity. They're saying it's not just another digital platform, but an innovation that could change the game. This is huge validation for Pi Network and the entire Pi community. I mean, CNN doesn't just cover any old crypto, am I right? The article emphasizes Pi Network's user-friendly approach to crypto mining. Unlike major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, which rely on complex and expensive hardware for mining, Pi Network offers a simpler and more user-friendly approach. Using a lightweight mobile application, anyone with a smartphone can mine Pi coins without the need for costly equipment or extensive technical knowledge of blockchain. Anyone with a smartphone can mine Pi coin, folks. No expensive mining rigs, no technical expertise needed. This accessibility has attracted over 60 million users globally, making Pi Network one of the fastest-growing crypto networks. 60 million users. CNN also highlights Pi Network's commitment to decentralization and security. One of Pi Network's key strengths is its commitment to decentralization, giving users greater control and allowing for participation without significant barriers. Through its consensus mechanism based on a trust graph, Pi Network ensures that transactions can be processed efficiently and securely. CNN highlights that Pi Network outperforms other cryptocurrencies in terms of efficiency and power consumption, making it an attractive option for users who are concerned about the environmental impact of traditional cryptocurrency mining. Decentralization, security, and efficiency. Folks, Pi Network is outperforming other cryptocurrencies in terms of power consumption. This is a big deal, especially with the growing concerns about the environmental impact of crypto mining. This makes Pi an attractive and responsible option. And, of course, the article talks about the upcoming Open Mainnet launch. As Pi Network prepares for the launch of its Open Mainnet, it is set to transition into a fully decentralized digital currency capable of supporting real-world transactions. CNN notes that this shift to Open Mainnet will be a pivotal moment for Pi Network, marking its readiness to operate as a fully functional cryptocurrency. The launch of the Open Mainnet will enable Pi coins to be used as a legitimate currency for goods and services, further cementing Pi Network's place in the global digital economy. A fully decentralized digital currency capable of supporting real-world transactions, folks. That's the goal. The Open Mainnet will enable Pi coin to be used for goods and services, just like any other currency. This is what we've all been waiting for. CNN is clearly impressed with Pi Network's rapid growth and future potential. They're talking about it reshaping the cryptocurrency landscape and becoming a leading force in the global digital economy. With its growing user base and the upcoming launch of its Open Mainnet, Pi Network is well-positioned to become a leading force in the global digital economy. In CNN's view, Pi Network has the potential to become a truly global digital currency, accessible to people from all walks of life. A truly global digital currency, folks. CNN sees the potential. The article highlights that with its low environmental impact, ease of use, and emphasis on decentralization, that Pi Network is primed to become a dominant force in the world of digital currency. Okay, We've seen CNN's glowing report on Pi Network. But what about the price of Pi coin? When can we expect it to hit that magical $100 mark? Let's check out this article from CoinGape titled, How Soon Could Pi Network Price Hit $100? CoinGape is diving into some technical analysis of Pi Network's price. The weekly chart shows that the Pi Network price has remained in a tight range since 2023 when it crashed from a record high of $344 shortly after launch. It has remained within a narrow range, with the upper side at around $100 and the lower side at around $30. Pi Network is now nearing the lower side of the slightly ascending channel and is slightly below the 10-week moving average. The coin has also formed a double top-like pattern, which often leads to further downside. Okay, so Pi coin has been consolidating in a tight range between $30 and $100, folks. It's currently near the lower end of that range, and they're pointing out a double top-like pattern, which is usually bearish. But, and this is a big but, on the positive side, the 2-year consolidation may be a part of the accumulation phase of the Wyckoff theory. This theory identifies 4 stages that assets go through: accumulation, markup, distribution, and markdown. A prolonged consolidation characterizes the accumulation phase. The Wyckoff theory, folks. This suggests that Pi coin might be in an accumulation phase, which is often followed by a strong markup phase, meaning a big price surge. So, what could trigger this markup phase? In Pi Network's case, this trigger may happen when the developers give the definitive date when it will move from the enclosed mainnet to the open mainnet. Such a move will likely see it jump to $100, the highest level in November. This rebound may happen either in February or in March, since the developers have hinted that the mainnet launch will happen in the first quarter. The open mainnet launch, folks, that's the catalyst. CoinGape is predicting a jump to $100 when the developers announce the definitive date. And they're saying it could happen in February or March. That's soon, people. But, of course, there are also downside risks. On the other hand, a move to delay the mainnet launch further will likely lead to a strong bearish breakdown. Such a move will see it drop to the key support at $18.20, its lowest level in May 2023. The key concern is that the Pi Network's developers have a long record of missing deadlines, meaning that the mainnet launch may not happen in this quarter. If this happens, the value of Pi may crash further. If the mainnet launch is delayed again, we could see a drop to $18.20, folks. That's the risk. Pi Network has a history of missing deadlines, and that's a major concern. Okay, let's connect the dots here. We have CNN recognizing Pi Network's enormous potential and its user-friendly approach to crypto mining. We have technical analysis suggesting that Pi coin might be in an accumulation phase, ready for a breakout. And we have a potential catalyst in the open mainnet launch, which could send the price to $100. In my opinion, Pi Network is at a critical juncture. The CNN coverage is a huge deal. It brings mainstream attention and credibility to the project, and if the developers can finally deliver on the open mainnet launch, we could see a massive price surge. But the risk of further delays is real, and that could lead to a significant price drop. Personally, I'm cautiously optimistic about Pi Network. I believe in the long-term vision of a widely accessible digital currency, and the community is incredibly strong. But I'm also aware of the risks. The delays are frustrating, and the lack of a concrete mainnet launch date is concerning. That's why I'm not going all in on Pi. I'm keeping a close eye on the developments, and I'm waiting for more clarity on the mainnet timeline. If we get a definitive date and see some positive momentum, I might consider adding to my position. But remember, this is not financial advice. This is just my take on the market, and you should always do your own research before making any investment decisions. All right, crypto fam, that's all for today's episode of Gold Rush Crypto Daily. Remember, the crypto market is a wild ride. So always stay informed, do your own research, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. This is Gold Rush, signing off. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.